Hi, good morning. This is Eva. How are y'all today? We are going to talk chicken poop, chicken coop. Okay? So what we have here is our chicken coop. This chicken coop was actually up the hill by the house. And we rolled it down here like the Rubbles. Does anybody know the Rubbles? From the cartoon. We rolled it down here and set it up. So here's our chicken coop. We've got one window. It is set by the barn. There's the door. Here's another chicken coop door. We put a fence in and I let them free range. And it's right next to the barn. As you can see, we have enclosed this one side of the barn for the chickens, so that the chickens and the ducks and whatever other things that we have during the winter time are safe from the predators. My husband added a door. We framed this all out. So the chickens are going crazy. But as you can see, remember last video, we put all the ash down there, and a lot of it is all gone already. Okay, so we are going to talk chicken poop cleaning today. Chicken coop cleaning today. So I've got my excuse me. I've got my pine chips, and we're gonna walk in here and we're gonna talk cleaning. So I open the door. Here's our nesting boxes over here. As you can see, I've got 4 nesting boxes. I've got some eggs in there, yay! So nesting boxes, and then a door to the other coop right here in the inside, so they can go in and out safely to the coop. So I've got their roost. And what other stuff do I have? I've got poop. Lots of chicken poop. So we put these boxes down here. They're just plastic totes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these totes out and put them in my wheelbarrow, and we'll do a compost with them. So as you can see, in the dead of winter time, we usually, once there's a nice day, a couple nice days in the winter time, and I don't clean it all out, obviously. I just clean the poop out. And that's what I usually do, is take these, clean them out, and put fresh new pine chips down. And then they should be ready to go for the next, through the rest of the winter. It is January now, so at the end of March I will definitely be cleaning this coop from top to bottom. I use a vinegar solution to spray everything down, and then lime on the floors. And I'll make another video of the super clean when we do that. But in the meantime, have a nice day, subscribe, like, and this is what we do on our homestead. So I'm gonna pop you up here and you can watch me clean for a minute. take all the flakes out, put all the flakes around from the chicken nesting box. Shit.
Is right. Shit is right. I guess not.
Don't even tell me that wasn't on. Chicken poop. It is not all clean, but it is clean enough for the chickies. And new pine chips in their nesting boxes. So I take those little boxes, throw them in here. This will go to compost. And that's it. All right, guys. Bye.